May your early mornings always be worth it. Cookery in Ireland AM brought to you by Kerrygold.
Now, Dean Diplock is in the kitchen with us today.
Good morning to you, Dean, all the way from County Mayo, the Breathy House Hotel. How are we? What are we having this morning?
We are doing a sticky soy and honey chicken dish served with steamed basmati rice.
Oh, lovely.
So you can use chicken breasts for this, but I found that the thighs were much more juicier. So I've used some chicken thigh meat here. Deboned, bought in deboned and just chopped into small dice, about 1.5 centimetres or so. For
so you just buy the thighs, take the skin off and cut them up yourself?
But you can buy the thighs already deboned and skinned.
Yeah.
Oh.
Available in your shops,
do you use
absolutely.
Scissors now when you do that, or do you use a knife?
I use a knife, but you could use a scissors. There's nothing wrong with that.
And then obviously a lot more economical, because the thighs are cheaper.
Definitely much cheaper, by far, actually.
And you find them more tasty than the breasts?
So much more marbling in them, so they stay nice and juicy, even if you cook them a little extra.
Okay.
So I've just fried some off there time-wise. We're going to move on.
Okay.
I've got 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. I have just a little bit of lemongrass that I've chopped. That's the centre of the lemongrass.
Oh, is that fresh lemongrass?
That's fresh lemongrass.
So where do you get that then?
Again, available in most Asian shops, but also available in big supermarkets. I've got that in Tesco.
Was that rice white vinegar or something?
No, I just put in a quarter teaspoon of sesame seed oil, toasted sesame seed oil, lovely flavour. And then some honey, 3 tablespoons of honey. This is our own Breathy honey that I brought with us today.
Beautiful.
You make it up in
We have
in the
our
hotel?
own beehives, yes.
So you have your own beehives,
We do.
So, soy sauce, honey, lemongrass, and what was the last little bit again you just said?
Sesame seed oil.
Sesame seed oil.
Correct.
Okay,
So,
beautiful.
Now, if you don't have the lemongrass, say people are want to do this and they probably have the other ingredients and they don't have the lemongrass, is that okay?
That's perfectly fine, but you can also use the peel of the lime.
Oh.
As just to replace it the same time. Just very fine dusting of the lime. Okay. So we're going to cook this now. I'm going to add in some garlic and some ginger.
You have to be careful that the honey doesn't burn.
No, it won't. There's enough liquid coming out of the chicken to stop it from burning. We're just going to make it sticky. So we're going to whack up the heat as high as it's going to go.
High heat, right?
And we're going to make that sticky while it cooks away. In the meantime...
If you have a wok, this is perfect for a wok, is it?
Very good for a wok. Non-stick pan is probably the best.
Yeah.
So you want to get the sticky glaze off of it without sticking to anything. But a well-seasoned wok is also excellent.
You've done this with salmon as well. This is
yes, you can do. You can do. We're going to finish this with peanuts, toasted sesame, and spring onion or shallot, the green part of the spring onion shallot, as a garnish basically on top of it. Naturally, you can leave out the peanuts if you're allergic to them.
Yeah.
And again, you can also serve it with noodles. You can serve it with a sticky rice, like a jasmine rice. Today I'm serving with a basmati rice, which I've dished up for yourselves.
What's the difference between basmati and...
They're all different starches, sizes, ethnic areas, ways of cooking. Some you need to wash the starch off, others you go straight into it. So,
and what's your favourite then? What are you giving us this morning about basmati?
I like basmati. Jasmine's lovely. There's glutinous rices. Again, depends on what region of the world they eat their rice. So everybody has different types of rice from all around the world. Because
you see them in China and even in Thailand. It's the bowl is there with the rice, and then they just keep adding them, and the bowl is the main thing with the rice in it.
That's correct. That is correct. So your base basically is your rice.
Yeah.
And then you just add to it. So
that's dead easy, Dean, isn't it?
Isn't it just? 10 minutes, start to finish.
Yeah, well, obviously the rice would be the longest part to cook, really, isn't it?
It is true, yeah. And that also can be done in advance. I'll put a little extra chilli on top.
Do you, would you put your rice, do you boil it or do you kind of stick it in the oven? You can do it as well?
You can do it baked in the oven, but this particular one I did boil, so I had to wash it off and boil it. And then there's a certain level measurement that you use, no matter how big your container is. If you put the rice in and you fill it with water, the water must come to your first knuckle. That is the correct amount of water that you put in cooking your rice. Always right. Doesn't matter how big the container is.
Oh, so you don't do
really?
the 2 cups, the 1 cup of rice for 2 cups of water?
If you put your finger in, you'll see it works exactly the same.
Oh, right. So do that again. Sorry.
So on your finger, your first knuckle, That's the measurement. Your finger must touch the rice and the water must come to the first knuckle.
Your first knuckle.
You know what
right?
I find great as well? A tip. You just cut the bag and you put it in the microwave in 2 minutes and it's done. No, seriously, it's really good. Look at this. We get a shot of that. We need a shot of that.
We got a shot.
We got a shot of it already.
Right
Yes,
here.
I've been promoting that for many, many years. You know, use those instant rices. They're
The
excellent.
instant rices are
Excellent,
good, yeah.
They need a little bit of fixing when you take
No,
them out.
but you have microwave plastic there. I mean, who knows what that
bowl.
good that's doing for you.
No, you put in a glass bowl with a knob of butter and a little water and steam it.
Well,
I don't.
Mix it.
He doesn't do that.
He doesn't do that.
Okay, well, let's
let's
the
see what
chicken
it tastes
thighs are
like.
the biz.
Delicious.
Okay,
Yeah.
now, I could have added, and I didn't this time because this is optional as well, if you wanted more sauce, you can take some corn flour or cornstarch and a dash of water, make a bit of a slurry, and finish the dish off. And that gives you, like, you know that Chinese, when you get a Chinese takeaway, it's got that lovely glaze on it.
Yeah.
That's exactly what you'll get from that, but you'll make more sauce. In this case,
But there is a lovely glaze off
there's
this.
plenty on it this time, but if you wanted to make a larger batch, for instance, and you had a bit of sauce, too much sauce in it, and rather than cook it until it's all evaporated, you can just pop a little bit of starch.
What do you do again?
It's a little slurry of cornstarch.
slurry.
Yeah,
Cornstarch.
cornstarch, as in corn flour.
yeah.
And just a little water, about 50
then
mils
put that
of
in.
water. You
And
put it
steam
in,
it up, right?
and it'll thicken it up as well, if you wanted to. In this case, we didn't need to, but it is an option if you wanted extra sauce.
Oh, Dean, absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for that. It's absolutely
Dean
fantastic.
Diplock, as always, great to have you with us. Thank you for that, Dean.
Now, up next, Derek's at a spooky Halloween spectacle in Athenry.
We'll see you back after this.
May your early mornings always be worth it. Cookery in Ireland AM brought to you by Kerrygold.